Here are the top coronavirus updates for March 4th. India recorded 17,407 new COVID-19 cases and 89 deaths in the last 24 hours. With this, the country's total caseload rose to over 1.11 crore. The Delhi High Court directed Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech to disclose their capacities to manufacture Covaxin and Covishield vaccines. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh took his first dose of the COVID-19 vaccination at AIIMS in Delhi today. According to recent government data, 242 people have been infected by the UK, South Africa and Brazil variants of the novel coronavirus infection in India. The Education Department of Manipur approved reopening of schools for classes 6 to classes 8 from March 8th under strict coronavirus guidelines prepared by the state government. More than 115 million people have been infected by COVID-19 worldwide, while the death toll stands at well over 2.5 million. The prevalence of COVID-19 infections in England has dropped since January, but the rate of decline has slowed and cases might be on the rise in some areas, researchers at Imperial College London said on Thursday. Germany is extending its coronavirus shutdown by 3 weeks until March 28th, but easing some restrictions to allow non-essential stores and other businesses to reopen in areas with relatively low infection rates. A national panel of vaccine experts in Canada recommended that provinces extend the interval between the 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccinations to 4 months to quickly inoculate more people amid a shortage of doses in Canada. Europe's medicine regulator on Thursday said it had started an ongoing review of Russia's COVID-19 vaccine for possible approval in the region in a major sign of confidence in the short.